Today I will show you how the remote of the AC is not working, the display is not showing much anything, but it still works. I can still change the modes, I can still change the temperature. So if you have a problem with the remote, don't throw it away if the LCD is not working, just change the batteries. And if you really want to use the LCD, you can actually replace the remote. This is the LCD is leaked, the LCD is cracked, but it still works. You can't really see much of what's happening on the screen of the remote. But if you have an AC that has a display, at least for temperature and modes, then you don't really need to see what's happening on the screen of the remote. You can look on the display of the AC itself. And I ordered online a replacement remote. This is some third-party remote, and it worked directly. I didn't have to do anything, pair or program or anything. It's almost identical to the original remote, and it's new. It's even brand new, like white plastic, and the display is working perfectly. So if you have a problem with the AC, it's not really worth it to try to repair the LCD. You can simply buy a replacement remote and it will just work. The most important thing is that it needs to be the same or made to work with your AC. And I didn't really have to change the remote, I didn't have to replace it. I could simply continue to use that broken LCD remote, but it's nice to have a remote that actually works. And this wasn't really expensive. I bought it online, and I'm sure they make remotes like this for all the air conditioning units, at least the popular ones. And the way I found it, I used Google Lens. I took a picture of the existing remote, of the old remote. I used Google Lens to find the replacement remote. So AI is pretty useful these days. You can find the replacement remote for the AC. With the regular search, it don't really work because I didn't see any model number on the old remote. The new remote has a model number, but it's only for the replacement remote. So you can use AI or Google Lens even simply which is the same actually, to search for a replacement remote for your device. If it's an aircon or some other unit that has an old remote and it needs to be replaced. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.